back to my channel. I'm enjoying my holiday and we're on the road again in the beautiful countryside of the Netherlands. This is Ridderkerk, which is an old town, small square with a church in the middle. Very lovely, and the weather is fine as well. Along the road you can find windmills and flatlands. I do love my own country. Here is the progress on my Zweig sweater. I'm currently working on the first sleeve. The body's done by now and it fits, which is nice. See, I'm working on the sleeve here. I do love these smaller circular needles. It seems to go so much faster. And I'm looking at the screen. I love to watch podcasts and documentaries on YouTube and other knitters. The next clip will be of the Efteling, the Aquanura show, and because of there's music beneath it, I will shut up. The photography scarf also needs some attention, and it's getting there, almost at the length that I need. I'm still debating on whether I do the origami bit again, but just do it on one side to make it more special. I'm not sure. I think I'm quite done in my mind, so I think I just might finish it like this. I will show you when I'm done, and in this light it's very hard to see all the pearls and all the knit stitches, but I assure you they are there. Again, it's too hard to see with the black in this dim light. But you can see me knit and then purl once in a while. I do hope you all have a very nice holiday, or that you are having a nice time. I will see you next week, and stay creative. Goodbye.